The blue whale, a marvel of the ocean in 2024. As we enter 2024, the majestic blue whale continues to captivate our imagination and inspire conservation efforts worldwide. Known as the largest animal on Earth, the blue whale can reach lengths of up to 100 feet and weigh as much as 200 tons. These gentle giants are not only remarkable for their size but also for their unique behaviors and vital role in marine ecosystems. In 2024, ongoing research and technological advancements are providing new insights into the lives of blue whales. Scientists are utilizing drones and underwater acoustics to monitor their populations, migration patterns, and feeding habits. This data is crucial for understanding how climate change and human activities impact their habitats. Increasing ocean temperatures and shifting prey availability pose significant threats to these magnificent creatures. Conservation efforts are more critical than ever. Organizations globally are working to protect blue whale habitats from ship strikes, entanglement in fishing gear, and noise pollution that disrupts their communication. In 2024, initiatives like the establishment of marine protected areas and stricter regulations on shipping routes are gaining momentum, aiming to safeguard blue whale populations. Public awareness and education play a vital role in blue whale conservation. As more people learn about these incredible animals, support for marine conservation efforts grows. Documentaries, social media campaigns, and educational programs are helping to inspire the next generation to advocate for ocean health. In conclusion, as we embrace 2024, the blue whale remains a symbol of the ocean's wonders and the urgent need for conservation. By protecting these giants of the sea, we not only ensure their survival but also the health of our planet's oceans. Let us work together to preserve the legacy of the blue whale for generations to come. The majestic blue whale, a 2024 focus on conservation. As we step into 2024, the awe-inspiring blue whale continues to capture the hearts and minds of marine enthusiasts and scientists alike. Known as the largest animal on the planet, these gentle giants can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh as much as 200 tons. Their sheer size and grace remind us of the beauty and complexity of our oceans. Unfortunately, blue whales face numerous threats, including climate change, ship strikes, and habitat loss. As we embark on a new year, it is crucial to highlight the importance of conservation efforts aimed at protecting these magnificent creatures. Organizations around the world are ramping up initiatives to monitor blue whale populations and their migratory patterns, ensuring that we have a better understanding of their needs. In 2024, advancements in technology, such as drone surveillance and acoustic monitoring, are set to play a pivotal role in blue whale research. These tools allow scientists to track whale movements and gather vital data on their feeding habits and breeding grounds. By leveraging this information, conservationists can advocate for policies that safeguard critical habitats and mitigate human impacts on these majestic animals. Public awareness is also key to ensuring the survival of blue whales. Educational campaigns and community involvement can foster a deeper appreciation for marine life and encourage sustainable practices. As we raise awareness about the plight of the blue whale, we inspire collective action to protect our oceans. In conclusion, the majestic blue whale stands as a symbol of the ocean's wonders. As we navigate through 2024, let us commit to protecting these extraordinary creatures and their habitats, ensuring that future generations can marvel at their beauty and grace. Together, we can make a difference for the blue whale and the delicate marine ecosystems they inhabit. The Arctic Fox, a resilient survivor in a changing world, 2024. As we step into 2024, the Arctic fox continues to captivate our imaginations with its stunning beauty and remarkable adaptability. This small but resilient mammal, native to the icy tundras of the Arctic regions, is often recognized for its striking white fur that provides excellent camouflage against the snow. However, the Arctic fox is more than just a pretty face. It plays a crucial role in its ecosystem and faces significant challenges as climate change accelerates. The Arctic fox's unique adaptations allow it to The colorful poison dart frog, a marvel of nature in 2024. As we step into 2024, the vibrant world of amphibians continues to captivate nature enthusiasts and scientists alike, with the colorful poison dart frog standing out as a true marvel. Known for their striking hues, these tiny creatures are not just visually stunning, they also play a crucial role in the ecosystem of tropical rainforests. Native to Central and South America, poison dart frogs are renowned for their vivid colors, which serve as a warning to potential predators about their toxicity. Ranging from bright blues to fiery oranges, these colors are not rely for show, they are vital survival mechanisms. The toxins found in their skin are derived from their diet, primarily consisting of ants and other small invertebrates. This fascinating relationship with their environment highlights the delicate balance of ecosystems and the importance of biodiversity. In 2024, conservation efforts for poison dart frogs are more critical than ever. Habitat loss due to deforestation and climate change poses significant threats to their survival. Organizations worldwide are working tirelessly to protect these unique amphibians and their habitats. By raising awareness and promoting sustainable practices, we can ensure that future generations will continue to marvel at the beauty of the colorful poison dart frog. Moreover, the study of these frogs extends beyond conservation. Researchers are investigating their toxins for potential medicinal applications, including pain relief and treatments for various diseases. As we embrace 2024, the colorful poison dart frog remains a symbol of nature's creativity and resilience, reminding us of the wonders that exist within our planet's diverse ecosystems. Let's commit to protecting these extraordinary creatures and their habitats for a brighter, more sustainable future. The axolotl, a fascinating creature for 2024. As we step into 2024, one of the most captivating creatures to highlight is the axolotl, a unique amphibian that has captured the hearts of scientists and animal lovers alike. Native to the ancient lakes of Mexico, the axolotl, or Ambystoma mexicanum, is renowned for its extraordinary regenerative abilities, making it a subject of intense research in the fields of biology and medicine. Unlike typical salamanders, axolotls remain in their larval form throughout their lives, a phenomenon known as neoteny. This means they retain their gills and aquatic lifestyle, even as they reach sexual maturity. Their striking appearance, with frilly gills and a wide smile, has made them popular in the pet trade and a beloved symbol of biodiversity conservation efforts. In 2024, the importance of the axolotl extends beyond its charm. As climate change and habitat destruction continue to threaten their natural environment, these creatures serve as a reminder of the delicate balance within ecosystems. Conservation initiatives are underway to protect their dwindling populations, highlighting the significance of preserving not only the axolotl but also the unique ecosystems they inhabit. Moreover, the axolotl's regenerative capabilities inspire hope in the field of regenerative medicine. Scientists study their ability to regrow limbs, spinal cords, and even parts of their hearts, seeking to unlock potential treatments for human injuries and diseases. In summary, the axolotl is more than just an adorable amphibian, it represents a crucial link between ecology, conservation, and medical research. As we navigate the challenges of 2024, let's celebrate and protect this remarkable creature, ensuring that future generations can appreciate the wonders of the axolotl and the vital roles it plays in our world. The incredible Arctic fox, a 2024 spotlight on nature's resilient survivor. As we step into 2024, the Arctic fox stands as a testament to nature's incredible adaptability and resilience. Found primarily in the Arctic regions, this small yet remarkable mammal has captured the interest of wildlife enthusiasts and researchers alike. With its thick, white fur that changes to a brown or gray hue in summer, the Arctic fox is perfectly suited to withstand the harshest of climates. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Arctic fox is its unique hunting strategy. Equipped with acute hearing and a keen sense of smell, these foxes can locate prey beneath thick layers of snow. Their primary diet consists of small mammals like lemmings, but they are opportunistic feeders, often scavenging on carcasses left by larger predators. This adaptability to food sources is crucial, especially as climate change alters their natural habitat. In 2024, conservation efforts are more vital than ever. The Arctic fox faces significant threats from habitat loss, climate change, and decreasing prey availability. As temperatures rise, their icy homes are melting, forcing these creatures to adapt to new environmental challenges. Awareness and education about their plight are essential in fostering a conservation mindset. Moreover, initiatives aimed at protecting Arctic ecosystems can significantly impact the survival of the Arctic fox. By supporting sustainable practices and promoting ecological research, we can help ensure that these incredible animals continue to thrive in their native habitats. In conclusion, the Arctic fox is not just a symbol of the frozen tundra, it embodies the spirit of resilience in the face of adversity. As we move through 2024, let us champion the cause of this remarkable species and work together to secure a future where the incredible Arctic fox can flourish. The Komodo dragon, a fascinating look ahead to 2024. As we step into 2024, one of the most captivating subjects in the animal kingdom continues to be the Komodo dragon, Varanus komodoensis. This remarkable creature, native to Indonesia's Komodo Island and its surrounding areas, has long intrigued scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Known as the largest living lizard, the Komodo dragon can grow up to 10 feet in length and weigh over 150 pounds, making it a formidable predator. In 2024, conservation efforts for the Komodo dragon are more crucial than ever. With climate change and habitat destruction threatening its natural environment, initiatives are underway to protect these magnificent reptiles and their ecosystems. The Komodo National Park, established in 1980, plays a vital role in preserving not only the dragons but also the diverse flora and fauna of the region. Researchers are increasingly focused on studying the unique biology of the Komodo dragon. Recent studies reveal fascinating insights into their hunting techniques and social behavior, which could influence future conservation strategies. As we advance into 2024, the use of technology in wildlife monitoring is expected to enhance our understanding of these lizards' movements and health, ensuring better protection measures. Moreover, public awareness campaigns are gaining momentum, highlighting the importance of preserving these ancient reptiles for future generations. Ecotourism, which promotes responsible travel to natural areas, is also contributing to the local economy while fostering a greater appreciation for the Komodo dragon and its habitat. In conclusion, as we embrace 2024, the Komodo dragon remains a symbol of resilience and a reminder of the urgent need for wildlife conservation. By supporting these initiatives, we can ensure that this iconic species continues to thrive in the wild for years to come. The unique axolotl, a fascinating creature for 2024. As we step into 2024, the axolotl continues to captivate enthusiasts and scientists alike. This extraordinary amphibian, native to the lakes of Mexico City, is renowned for its remarkable regenerative abilities and distinctive appearance. Unlike most amphibians, axolotls remain in their larval stage throughout their lives, a phenomenon known as neoteny. This gives them their signature external gills and a playful, almost otherworldly look. One of the most intriguing aspects of the axolotl is its ability to regenerate lost body parts. From limbs to parts of its heart, and even sections of its brain, the axolotl can regrow these tissues without scarring. This regenerative capability has made it a focal point of scientific research, providing insights into potential medical advancements for human healing and regenerative therapies. In 2024, conservation efforts are more crucial than ever as axolotls face threats from habitat loss, pollution, and invasive species. Their natural habitat in the wild has drastically diminished, pushing them towards the brink of extinction. Conservationists are working tirelessly to create protected areas and breeding programs to ensure their survival. Moreover, axolotls have become popular in the pet trade, charming owners with their quirky personalities and vibrant colors. As more people seek to adopt these unique creatures, it's essential to promote responsible ownership and educate potential pet owners about their specific care requirements. In summary, the axolotl stands as a symbol of nature's wonders in 2024. With its unique characteristics and ongoing conservation challenges, this remarkable amphibian not only fascinates but also serves as a reminder of the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity. Let's celebrate the axolotl and advocate for its future. The enigmatic okapi, nature's hidden gem of 2024. As we dive into 2024, one of the most fascinating creatures capturing the attention of wildlife enthusiasts and conservationists alike is the okapi. Known as the forest giraffe, This elusive mammal boasts a striking appearance, combining the unique features of both giraffes and zebras. Native to the dense rainforests of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, the okapi remains one of the planet's most enigmatic and lesser-known animals. Despite its resemblance to the giraffe, the okapi is more closely related to the horse and the zebra. Its velvety, mahogany-colored coat is adorned with bold white stripes on its legs, making it a captivating sight in the wild. What makes the okapi particularly intriguing is its secretive nature. It thrives in the shadows of the forest, often evading human observation. This elusive behavior has contributed to its status as a symbol of the mystery that still exists within our natural world. In 2024, the okapi is at the forefront of conservation efforts as its habitat faces increasing threats from deforestation and poaching. Organizations worldwide are rallying to raise awareness about the importance of protecting this remarkable species and its environment. By supporting sustainable practices and promoting ecotourism, we can help ensure the survival of the okapi for generations to come. As we celebrate biodiversity in 2024, let us not forget the okapi, a creature that embodies the beauty and complexity of our planet's ecosystems. By learning more about this hidden gem, we can foster a deeper appreciation for the wonders of nature and the urgent need to protect them. The harpy eagle, a majestic predator of the 21st century. As we step into 2024, the harpy eagle remains one of the most fascinating and powerful birds of prey on the planet. Known scientifically as Harpagornis harpygia, this magnificent raptor is native to the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. Its striking appearance, characterized by a robust build, striking black and white plumage, and a distinctive feathered crest, makes it a true emblem of avian beauty. The harpy eagle is known for its incredible strength and hunting prowess. Weighing up to 10 kilograms, 22 lbs, and boasting a wingspan of up to 2.2 meters, 7.2 feet, it is one of the largest eagles in the world. This impressive bird primarily preys on medium-sized mammals such as sloths and monkeys, showcasing its remarkable ability to navigate through dense forest canopies. With talons that can measure up to 13 centimeters, 5 inches, the harpy eagle is a formidable predator, perfectly adapted to its arboreal lifestyle. Despite its prowess, the harpy eagle faces significant challenges in the modern world. Habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment has led to decline in populations. Conservation efforts are crucial in 2024 as we strive to protect this iconic species and its habitat. Organizations around the world are working to raise awareness and implement measures that ensure the survival of the harpy eagle and the rich biodiversity of its rainforest home. In a world increasingly aware of the importance of conservation, the harpy eagle serves as a symbol of nature's resilience and the urgent need for responsible stewardship. As we move forward, let us celebrate this majestic bird and commit to protecting its future for generations to come.